Well, if you're alive, you are going to encounter some rough times. There's no two ways about it. Um, and for the last couple of years, in addition to all the other things that might be tough that have been going on in people's lives, there's been COVID and all of the emotional struggles with that and physical struggles, and just been very, very hard for a lot of people, and myself included. And so I sang this song, Restoration of My Soul, quite a lot over the last couple of years, just to myself, nobody else, but I did.